guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Solo Pro. Let's go open it now. Wait, it's almost there, I think. Okay, there we go. Ooh, this is a nice box. Look at this logo. Okay, give me a second here. I never opened it yet, so we're just going to try. Okay, we just opened it. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, it's kind of soft, but not really. Let's go open it. So we're gonna do this. I'm going to keep this forever. Oh, that's okay. I'm just gonna put it there. This is so cool. The sound is so satisfying. Wow, the red color is so cool. Whoa, I think it's magnet or what? Is it? This is how you turn it on, or wait, let's try connect it to my phone. Give me a sec. Oh, look. Oh my god. It just had like the thing, and then it just said like connect or not, and then how do I connect this now? Okay, it's connecting. Wait a second. Oh, it's 41. The battery is 41. Okay, do I have to turn this off? Okay. Well, I can't really hear anything, so this is really like cool. Wait, wait, let's try some sound and see if it's really connecting. Oh, wait. Wait. Give me a second. I'm going to find something that have a noise. Give me something. Wait, let's do the ASMR sound. That's because I like those kind of movie. Oh yeah, it is connecting. Oh, the sound is so good. The sound is good. And this is like the size of me, and it's really perfect. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye, guys. You like the sound, Hayden?